Hi there, everybody. I wanted to give you a quick update on Enjeo. They've made some improvements here. Wanted to introduce to you the Identity Protect Basic and Identity Protect Ultimate. So it's two new products here with up to $45 in commissions. This is actually starting November 7th. You'll be earning $5 for each new affiliate that enrolls their first new customer. And when the affiliate's first customer stays on for 30 days, you will earn another $5. So the affiliate pages will be updated to show you more information on this. The 5% residual you will earn from your affiliates customers will actually be discontinued. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys that quick update. And again, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will also include my link at the bottom, obviously, of the description. Anyway, make it a great Saturday. Take care.